Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So I was working on the next part of our gematria uh, connection video, and I came across a glaring error, a glaring omission, not an error, a glaring omission, and it involved Star Wars, and I was confused because I saw Luke know, and we'd gotten Desert Research Institute, DRI, Reno, Nevada. And I couldn't figure that one out for the life of me, so I had to get my notebook back out, and I haven't had that notebook out in years, um, that particular one. And I found out what had happened, and I wanted to go through this with you guys so there was no confusion like I was confused. So you had, get right into it here, you had Luke equals no. All right, that was a script change. Luke, I am your father. No, I am your father. Then you had C-3PO's leg changed from gold to silver, which I realized at that time wasn't a script change, and gold and silver were in fact elements. So instead of changing gold to silver and doing it that way, what we actually wound up doing was taking the atomic number for gold, which is atomic number 79, and we took the atomic number for silver, which is atomic number 47 right here. So gold and silver then became 79 and 47, and then we crossed off these sevens because they were the same, and you were left with 9, 4. Then we used this numerology chart here to change 9 into IR and 4 into DMV. You can see. So you were then left with Luke, no, IRDMV as your direct extractions. And IRDMV, you could put an equal sign here. So that changes this. That changes this. And I suppose IR, and it don't matter, the IRDMV, these are your direct changes from you. So for Star Wars, you had everything that we had plus gold, silver, and we got the 4 ciphers on that. We got IRDMV, which is the direct changes from gold to silver, also your direct extractions. And we got the 4 ciphers on that. And you also had Luke, no, IRDMV, which was all of your direct extractions. And we got the 4 ciphers on that. We already had Luke, no, those were both your changes and direct extractions. But now I understand where we got the rest of it, gold, silver, IRDMV. And that came from the atomic numbers. Once again, cross off the 7, 79, 47, IR, DMV, as per this chart. So that also made a couple of left a couple of omissions. 15, 51, 105, 501, and 150. On top of everything else we found, we have gold, silver here. From Star Wars, your direct changes in 3CPO's leg. And in 66, 606, and 660, you have IRDMV, which you can put a space there. IR equals DMV. To make that numbers, or letters from the atomic numbers, excuse me. And that left you with 66 on top of all these other 66s we found. Okay. So that was the omission. And now hopefully I know I cleared it up for myself, so hopefully we cleared it up for everybody else as well, if anybody was wondering about that. There it is. So that's going to conclude those omissions. and we'll move on. Now, in my notebook, I realized that we need to finish the Megan's Bible decode. Megan, if you're out there, we hope you're doing well. Haven't heard from you in a while. Not sure what's up with that. Um, but we hope you're doing well. And we also realized that we got through Spin Doctor's Two Princes, and we think, and it looks like we actually may have found something there, but never broke it down. We found YSI water monitoring, YSI water. So we'll be breaking that down at some point and seeing if the gematria connects and seeing if that's what we're actually looking at. And these were more primitive decodes. We didn't have all our categories. The whole process kind of evolved, but nonetheless, with or without all the categories, YSI water monitoring seems to stand out there on Two Princes from Spin Doctors. So we'll be looking at that too. I don't know if I'll break that down. I might break that down before we continue, and I might continue before we break it down with our gematria. I'm not sure how we're going to do that, but I'll make that decision and stick and roll with it. So, and we will get back to that Bible decode. It looked like we had a suspect there in that. I think we did. The National Wildlife Federation. National Wildlife Federation. I see circled. I see a few things circled here, guys, that may have been, but National Wildlife Federation, National Wildlife Federation, National Wildlife Federation, and WF. So yeah, we're going to have to get back to that Bible decode and finish that at some point as well, and see if National Wildlife Federation fits in there also. And then we'll have another. So it looks like we would have 13, then 14, or 12, and then 13 with Spin Doctors if that connects, and 14 with the Bible decode if that connects. And we've also got South America to get back to, so I got some work ahead of me. It's going to take a while, obviously. So we'll get to that as soon as possible. So anyway, for now, guys, thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.